Coming to the injurious cough syrup case, the Rajasthan government on Friday suspended the state drug controller and halted the distribution of medicines manufactured by Jaipur-based Kaysons Pharma. Officials said the Medical and Health Department has stopped the supply of all 19 medicines produced by Kaysons Pharma until further orders. The distribution of all other cough syrups containing in fact, dextromethorphan has also been suspended. This follows the tragedy in which a harmful cough syrup allegedly claimed the lives of 12 children in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh linked to the consumption of the medicine. Chief Minister Bhajan Lal Sharma has ordered a detailed probe into the matter along with effective action. Rajasthan's Health Minister Gajendra Singh has also ordered an inquiry and additional measures to safeguard public interest. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav on Friday announced a statewide ban on the sale of the cough syrup Coldrif following the deaths of at least 9 children in Chhindwara district linked to the medicine. The ban also extends to other products manufactured by some pharma company. Earlier, the Tamil Nadu government imposed a ban on the sale and distribution of Coldrif cough syrup across the state. Officials confirmed the ban will remain in force until laboratory analyses are completed and safety is fully ensured. The syrup manufactured by Srisen Pharmaceuticals at its facility in Kanchipuram district has come under intense scrutiny. Several drugs, including Coldrif samples, have been sent for testing. Deputy Director of Drugs Control said all drugs inspectors have been directed to remove the product from retail shelves and prevent further sales until further orders. He added that samples of Coldrif and 4 other formulations produced by the same manufacturer have been collected and dispatched for rigorous testing. Meanwhile, alerts have also been issued to the states of Puducherry and Odisha, where the same contaminated batch was distributed.